I'm not going to hard rock.
That's pretty good.
She managed to do that.
I didn't see whether she put her hand behind her.
No, she didn't. You okay?
So, both of you now, stick your paddle way out on the left. Back paddle a little bit now, just gently. Yeah, nice.
No, you're good. I'm ready. There you go. Nice work. Yep,
Nicely done.
Until you're steady.
When I push on that side, it keeps that turn going. Pull, and I'd say paddle much slower. You two are doing it pretty aggressive for what I'm after. And Kelly's doing all back, which is throwing her fast toward the shore. Kelly, I'd say alternate. Usually turns about 360.
You're the sneaky one. I can see it now.
Hanging on to this, I work on getting my free arm around behind me because I want to lift up my butt and kind of start scooting onto my hip. I'm lifting my butt off the seat slightly. Every time I lift a little bit, move a little bit, it's making it that much easier for me to get to a place where I can now, I'm leaning on the boat and I can get my knees on to the seat. So keep your legs down inside for now. Can you get your right arm onto the deck? Yeah. Keep working around till you, ooh, keep your knee, good. And now I'll join you in front. At this point, I just work on pushing myself up on the bar. Oh, no, 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 no. Put your weight onto the dock. You ended up shoving your boat further out. So lean toward the dock. Anything you can do, even if it's your chest onto the dock, anything is successful.
Nice, Kelly. I can't do that.
Nice.
Nice work.
Successful.